ball tied to a string, we know that the weight of the ball that always act in the downward direction. So when the weight will act downward, the force of tension that will come to play in the upward direction. So this is the force of tension. So next is the force exerted in a spring. So for if we have a spring whose one end is attached to a wall, and we just stretch the spring, so what will happen? The restoring force will come into play, and it will make the spring in its original position. And if we compress the spring, so what will happen? The restoring force will come in the opposite direction, and it will make the spring in its original position. So that is the force exerted in a spring. So fifth type is that force exerted during collision. So if we have two balls, ball A and ball B, and we just make them collide, so what will happen? The ball will come closer to each other. So two forces will act now. FAB. FAB means the force acting on A by B, and other force will be the force FBA. FBA means force acting on B by A. So what will happen? So due to this force FAB on A, so this ball will move apart, and similarly this ball B will also move apart. So it means both balls are applying forces on each other. So these all are the examples of the